Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
If your wrists get tired, then take off your clothes. Feel like I'm always fighting to keep you love. And when you don't reply, I feel like something's wrong with me. I get disappointed way too fucking easily. But
I'm alone in the dark, can I be where you are? You were gone from the start, now you tear me apart. I gave you my trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, it feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
Taking my soul into the message, writing my poems. For the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message. From the veins, speaking my lesson. From the brain, seeing the beauty through the